Nice trade today. We hit our profit target. Good trend. I always like it when the SR counter trend silver and gold trade. I'm going to show you the gold trade next. We did get some slippage on this, and 1 tick on the entry and 2 ticks on the exit. And so that's the silver trade. It was plus 875 is the hypothetical results. Actual results on this are 825. We talked about this last week with coffee. We did a little better in coffee, and today we get do a little worse in silver, and so it kind of averages out. I want to show you the gold trade for today. It's also up on the day. It has not hit its profit target yet. So here is the gold trade today. You see the strategy. The actual trade was 1270.2. and that's where the trade took place. The strategy got in at 1270.3, and so there's 1 tick of slippage. The profit target is 1264.30. It's still in this trade, so we already have 1 tick of slippage on the entry. You see this trade right here. For example, if you're looking at the trade on gold, you see this bubble fill show up. See, today we see the arrow fill short entry. That's the gold SR counter trend strategy, and then the corresponding bubble fill for that trade. Over here you only see the trade without the signal. That is because when you have the bubble fills on, when you format account, when you right click and you say format account orders, and it shows all the trades for this account. And yesterday there was a loss in Gold Flash. So Gold Flash lost yesterday. So you see the signal, the bubble fills for Gold Flash without the signal because the signal is on a different chart. So if you go to Gold Flash, you'll see both the signal and the fill, because when you turn on the fills for that account, it shows all the fills. So if you trade multiple strategies in the same market, you'll see these bubble fills. And so some people get confused. They think, well, why does this show a trade on SR counter trend? I don't see the signal. Where did it go? Well, that was a different strategy. That's a bubble fill for a different strategy. So you have to keep that straight, the difference between the bubble fills and the actual trade signals and the chart you're looking at. If you have the bubble fills turned on, it's going to show all the trades in that market for that, for all strategies that are in that account, even though you may not get the trade signal that shows up. So that is the explanation for that. So today we're sitting on this trade. Will it hit its profit target? Will it go back and hit its stop loss? Or will it gets out, it has an exit time, so it could fall anywhere in between that at the exit point. So it's always the hardest part in trading sometimes is to watch this come down and get close to its fill and not want to override that strategy. So, but that's part of trading. That's what you do when you trade systems. These are live trades. You see the account number 210. It starts with a 210, and so that's the trade for SR counter trend gold and SR counter trend silver, and the live trades for today with some other trades as well. And I just want to show you that I'm always happy when these strategies trade because they're some of my favorite.